All right, so let's move along to the AC Delco UltraGuard oil filter. This is the standard version, not the gold. The gold will be next, and we'll talk about the slight differences, and I'll show you that one, even though it's not for the 6.2 or the 7.0 C6 application, but we'll still talk about it. All right, so let's crack this thing open. This is a Made in USA filter. Says it right on the top here, product of the USA. We have also a generous, very thick seal. Not sure if it's silicone or nitride. Usually if it's black, it's a nitride or some other material, high temp material. Lots of generous holes on the inlets, okay? Tons of holes when it comes for the inlets. And the outlet obviously is gonna be the same size as them all, but the inlet is like, there's an uber amount of ports there, okay? I don't even know, what is that, like this, what do we have, like 20 holes here? 20 inlet ports, through holes for the oil to flow through into the can. So that's interesting how some filters have more and some have less, okay? Usually it's an indicator that if it has more, that it's a higher flow can. Just gotta be patient with these things sometimes because they just don't want to crack open. You really gotta score them good. Okay. Like I said, these are all for the C6, so we're really finding out, model specific what these filters look like. Because sometimes, depending on different engine applications and models and different model filters, they'll have different internals. For the most part, they are consistent, but that's why I like to take these apart and look at them internally and make videos about them. So, all right, let's take a look at here. The base plate, we obviously have a ton of inlet ports, a black nitrile seal. I don't think it's silicone because it doesn't feel like a silicone seal to me. It feels more like nitrile, but I could be wrong. There's really no specifics on the box. It's very bland and generic box that it comes in. Like I said, this is the UltraGuard filter. So we have a... Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so it has a two-piece, the drain back, sorry, not the drain back. This is the bypass valve is a two-piece on the UltraGuard. So we have a two-piece bypass valve, which is interesting. Okay, I haven't seen this design yet, which is different from the other one. Okay, so we have a two-piece design. This sits externally, and then it's built into the leaf spring that puts pressure on the whole internal filter element. Then we have the element itself. We literally have a through-hole type filter. This looks like a motorcycle filter that you would use on a Honda motorcycle or Yamaha or Suzuki. This is crazy. It's just like both ends are open. Typically, like the other filters, this would be attached on one end. So it basically, is there a side to this? They both look, it's a symmetrical design. So you stick it in there and creates a seal. Okay. It does fit tight, but there is a little bit of a clearance, of a gap there. I can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, but once you put pressure on this, okay, because this is going to act as a leaf spring, it's going to keep that completely intact and closed off. But it's still not as good as it being a one piece, if you ask me. So it has the bypass valve built in. You can depress it with your hand easily. So it's going to bypass oil if it has to, if it ever gets clogged or frozen over. Okay, this element is about the same as the WIX, okay, and the mobile one, but it's not as tall. So this is a lot shorter of an element inside the UltraGuard standard filter for the C6 Corvette. Not as tall and not as thick. There's a lot of pleats in there though. You have a lot of surface area. And one thing I want to mention, the AC Delco interior support is a huge mesh. Okay, it's a plastic grid, but look at the windows in there. They're huge. Okay, you have massive openings in there. You can literally see the filter element from the inside, okay, versus like a metal perforated tube with a helical kind of stamping support in it, kind of helical ribs, I should say, to give it strength. This is a massive plastic cage. It's just wide open, completely wide open, made for high flow. That coupled with this right here, these like 20 or so inlet ports, and you have a massive high flow center core in this, it's going to flow a lot of oil. But like the filter size is something we can take a look at compared at the end of the video, kind of the dimensions of the filters. One's longer, one's shorter, and so on. So that there is the AC Delco UltraGuard filter, two-piece kind of filter element because the bypass is a separate piece. So that's interesting. Not a lot of filters go that route. That's usually attached to the actual filter element. And this filter is just wide open, okay? All right, so let's take a look at the Gold series, okay? The Gold series, I do have a filter, but it's not for a C6 application, okay? So I'm just gonna quickly, actually might leave this out, okay? I'm just gonna leave this out because we're gonna wanna compare it really quick. I'm gonna put it at the top there, okay? This is the Gold filter for like a 2.0 liter engine, okay? I know it's not the exact model filter part number for the C6 Corvette, but we can get an idea of what's going on here, okay? So the internals, okay, we have that same two-piece design. We have a black nitrile anti-drain back valve, okay? So very similar to this one here. And we have a two-piece actual drain back and filter assembly here. So this is wide open, same plastic cage on the inside. Filter media looks to be actually synthetic versus a synthetic blend, or if not just plain paper. We don't know what this is because it's hard to specify. I would have to look it up on AC Delco's site. But this one for sure, the whiter fabrics and media are fully synthetic. Okay, we know that. This could be a blend. I'm gonna say it's not even a blend because it's kind of like just consistently yellow or tan. Usually the blends will have like a white kind of like marbling in them, and you can see the white, the off-white color of them. It's basically like a mix of this and this together. You would see like the marbling and the white fibers in there because the synthetics are either white or off-white like this, a lot brighter. So you can see that difference right there. Very similar construction though. Okay, we have a two-piece filter and bypass valve. So the same thing applies. So it looks like the Golds are pretty much the same kind of geometry and parts, but the filter media is fully synthetic versus just whatever that synthetic blend, or if it's just standard paper fabric, some kind of composite fiber, okay? But that there is the two compared together. Let's go ahead now and do a full recap on all the filters and show them in one shot and kind of talk about the similarities and differences really quick.